Asian-inspired beef and quinoa bowl. Cook 1 cup of quinoa in 1 cup of water for about 10 minutes. Now let's make the sauce for the beef by combining the brown sugar, sesame oil, soy sauce, chili powder, ground pepper, some chia seeds for added fiber, garlic, and ginger. We're now gonna saute the beef in olive oil and garlic until it's fully cooked. Let's add in the sauce that we just made and simmer for an additional 3 to 5 minutes. Next, we're gonna saute some baby spinach. This is quite lovely. Next, we're gonna assemble the bowl by combining the cooked quinoa, beef, spinach, topping it with some more green onion and chia seeds. Enjoy! Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe to our channel for more recipes and nutrition tips from BC Dietitians.